Welcome. In the previous tutorial, we looked at bar chart, but in this tutorial, we'll be looking at column chart. This was the same data we used for the bar chart. We will be using the same thing for the column chart. We have two different drinks, that is vanilla and chocolate drinks, sold to students in these schools. And the unit price of the vanilla and chocolate drink are the same. So this figure is the sales revenue for vanilla drink in KNUST. And this is the sales revenue for chocolate drink in KNUST. And same meaning applies to the others. Now, sales revenue means that the unit price of that drink times the quantity of that drink you sold. Okay, that's your sales revenue. You get it. Now, in Excel, we have three types of column charts. The first one is clustered column chart. The second one is stacked column chart. And the third one is 100% stacked column chart. Here too, we are going to look at simple column chart and multiple column chart under the clustered column chart. Okay. And then the component column chart is the same as the stacked column chart. And then the understanding of the stacked column chart will make you understand the 100% stacked column chart. So let's see how to get a column chart in Excel. First, let's go to the Insert tab. And first of all, let's draw a column chart for vanilla. So to do that, let's select the various branches together with the sales revenue for vanilla. So let's select them together. After selecting them, then we come to the charts area here. Now, the reason I made you click on this arrow in the previous tutorial was that bar chart is not part of the list of charts that I have here. So that means that whenever you want to use a particular chart, and that chart is not part of the list here, you just click on this arrow to get it, okay? But the column chart we are looking at in this tutorial is on my list here, and this is it. So just click on the arrow beside it. Now, the first one here under the 2D, okay, is the column chart. So we just click on it. And then let me resize it. Let me move it up a bit. Now, it is important for you to know that both column charts and bar charts are used to represent values of qualitative data or categorical data. To know what qualitative and quantitative data are, check the link in the description area. Okay. Also, we learned that charts are visual representation of data, isn't it? So for the simple column chart for vanilla drink, you can see clearly that the highest sales revenue for vanilla is from UG, followed by KNUST, followed by UCC, followed by UEW, then followed by UDS, and the last is UNER. Then let's do it for chocolate also. So we select the branches. Then to skip the vanilla so that we can select chocolate, hold on the control key, then click on the first side and then drag instantly. Then we go to the Insert tab, then we come to the charts area, then you choose the column chart. So click on the arrow beside it. Then you look under 2D column, then you pick clustered charts. Let me resize it. And then let me bring it up here. So you can see the chocolate one too. That the sales revenue for KNUST is the highest, followed by UG, followed by UCC, followed by UHAS, followed by UNER, followed by UEW, and the lowest is UDS. So now let's look at the multiple column chart. So first you go to the Insert tab, you click on it, then let's select our data. Now for the multiple we are selecting all. Okay, then we are here. Then click on the arrow beside it. So for the multiple also, we choose clustered. Let me resize it. Let me bring it up a bit. So the orange bars are chocolate and the blue bars are vanilla. So you can clearly compare your sales revenue for the two products for each branch. Okay. Also, you can go to the chart design tab to change your design. This is nice. And this. And you can click on this arrow to see more. Okay. You can also go to the Format tab or you double click on the chart itself for more formatting. Also, let's look at how this switch row/column works. So let me click on it. When I click on it, you see that all vanilla bars are now together at the left and chocolate bars are together at the right. This deep blue is KNUST, this orange is UCC, then this hash is UDS, This yellow is UNE, then this light blue is UEW, then this green is UG, and then this dark blue is UHAS. And same applies to the chocolate as well. So you can compare the sales revenue for vanilla among the various schools directly from here. And you can also compare the chocolate ones here also, okay. So let me revert back to the main one by clicking on the switch row/column again. Now when you look under the chart design tab, you will see change colors here. So you can click on this arrow to pick any other color you prefer to use for your bars, okay. So let's look at stacked column chart, which I call component column chart. So let's go to set tab, then let's select the data. Then we go to the chart area and then we click on this arrow here. Now under 2D column, the first one is clustered, but we go to this second one, then we click on it. That's a stacked column chart. So let me resize it and then let me move it up here. How this is done is, it takes the total sales revenue for both vanilla drink and chocolate drink, the total for KNUST, and then plot a single bar for the total. Then shaded the portion of the bar that goes to chocolate with orange color, and then shaded the portion of the bar that goes to vanilla with the blue color. So same thing applies to UCC, UDS and the others. And you can see clearly from this bar that of the total sales revenue coming to your business from KNUST, greater part of it is coming from chocolate drink. And you can use this particular chart and a multiple column chart to know the brand or the type of product your customers prefer more. So this is at least telling us that given that the unit price of both the vanilla and the chocolate drink are the same, KNUST students prefer the chocolate drink than the vanilla drink. And University of Ghana students prefer the vanilla drink than the chocolate drink. So you can even use that to decide on the quantities of those goods to send to your various branches. So let's look at the 100% stacked column chart. So first, we click on Insert, then we select the data, then we go to the chart area, then we come to column chart, then we click on the arrow beside it. Now look under 2D column. The first one is clustered, the second one is stacked, and the third one is 100% stacked. So we click on it. So for the 100% stacked, it only tells you the percentage contribution of each product to your sales revenue from each branch. So for the KNUST branch, of all the sales revenue realized from KNUST, about 45% of it is for vanilla and about 55% is for chocolate. And then for University of Ghana, about 58% of the sales revenue realized in UG is for vanilla and about 42% is for chocolate. So I'll end this here for now. In the next tutorial, we will look at pie chart.